Hello everyone. Okay, we stopped for lunch in, where are we? Silver Bay? Beaver Bay?
Beaver Bay.
Beaver Bay. I want to tell you, along the North Shore here, there's not many towns of size. So your dining options are very limited. So we were really hungry, and the other bigger town that's up here is Two Harbors. But Two Harbors is past the Split Rock Lighthouse, which is where we're going next. And we wanted to eat before we went to the lighthouse because we were starving. I mean, it's 1:15 right now, and we just finished lunch. So we stopped at basically like the only place we saw. But it was really good. It's called, what is it called?
Camp 61, like restaurant and motel, I think.
Am I getting the sign?
No, you're getting my face.
The sign. There's the sign. Okay. And this is the place. And it was actually really cute inside, and I took some footage inside, which I will put in right here. Okay, here's what we ate. I got a cup of potato bacon soup. It was okay. It was not the best potato soup I've ever had in my life. It had no chunks of potato in it, and it was really small. It had some cheese on top and a little bit of bacon. It was just so-so. But then we really liked our lunch, and we were obviously very hungry because we all ate all of it. I got black bean street tacos. They were super messy to eat, but they were very yummy. They were very good. Megan, what'd you get?
I got basically the same thing as Ben. We both got boneless chicken nuggets, and then I also got some kettle chips.
Megan's came with kettle chips, and she offered to give her fries, and now Megan's actually wishing,
yeah,
because she tried Ben's fries. And Ben, tell us about the fries.
They're really good.
They were really good. And then we split a chocolate lava cake. It was so good. We could have gotten. Each had our own.
We could have
each had our own.
Yeah.
It was warm. I cut it apart to split it into 3, and it was like steaming with warmth, and it was totally melt in your mouth.
Yeah.
Chocolate melting, warm chocolate melting in your mouth. And they served it with vanilla ice cream. It was delish. So if you are on the North Shore of Minnesota and you are looking for a place to eat, we would highly recommend this place.
61. Bunkhouse Restaurant, Coffee and Gifts Motel.
Yeah, they had quite a bit on the menu. They had fresh caught fish, which depended on what the fishermen have caught that day. Today it was herring. They had a bunch of burgers, some really cool like gourmet burgers. They had a kids menu with quite a few things on it, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they had chicken, a bunch of chicken stuff. They had a variety of different kinds of street tacos. And then they had a whole bunch of
sandwiches and
brisket, like pulled pork brisket stuff, like barbecue stuff, and salads. So, and besides what we got for dessert, she said they also today had apple pie, triple berry pie, some kind of brownie,
pretzel fudge brownie,
and cheesecake. Yeah, so it was yummy. So if you're looking for a place, this place was good, and we would recommend it. Safe travels. Okay, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. This is a bike repair station. It's got tools on retractable things, and this must be so you can put a wheel up here. That is so cool. I don't even know how to fix a bike, so I don't know what all this stuff is, but this is really neat. I wonder if they have these all along here so that you can fix your bike, you can fill out the tires. That's awesome. We are now at this little Beaver Bay wayside. There's the lake. And when we were driving by, we saw that this was super pretty, so we're gonna go look at it. It is kind of freezing raining on us City of Beaver Bay is the oldest continuously occupied settlement on the North Shore, established in 1856. Wowzers. That's where we are. Behold the mighty power of the Beaver River. That is incredible. We've seen a lot of waterfalls and a lot of, just even on the side of the road, and a lot of rivers, and they're all super rushing like this and loud and powerful. And so they're coming from up in the hills and the mountains and going under the road and out to Lake Superior over there.